name is Louis and I'll be talking about Singapore's port operation. Containers scheduled for other port destinations have to be transferred to other ships or stacked, while containers scheduled for Singapore are placed on trailers local delivery. Before ships arrive in Singapore, the shipping company sends a message to PSA through the PortNet system. Application for port can be made from 1 to 24 hours before. Once PSA receives the application, port personnel use the signals to create plans for unloading containers. When the ships arrive, specific number of cranes are assigned to surface prime movers in the port to move the containers from the ship and to the stacking yard. The ship based on the number of containers to be unloaded and loaded. Containers in the yard are placed at the holding area. Yard operation restack the containers in the warehouse and order awaits eventually loading to another ship or for pickup for domestic delivery by forwarders. Containers from Singapore exported are handled by the gate operation and addressed to the stacking yard before loading onto ships.
Hi, I'm Alice and I'll be discussing the implications of OBOR. Qingdao is a key player in the OBOR plan due to its status as the only Chinese city with real sea transport and numerous exit routes by sea. Hence, OBOR has been very beneficial both their management and operations. QQ City's management plans to further expand the terminal in another 2 phases by increasing handling capacity and automating more berths. Operations-wise, QQ City has been impacted in 3 ways. Firstly, there has been a reduction in blue-collar labor. Secondly, the terminal runs on electricity instead of diesel. Third is having increased worker safety, since operations are now fully automated. OBOR has negative implications for PSA, since Singapore is not part of OBOR. To increase their competitive advantage, PSA is investing $3.5 billion to expand the Pasir Panjang terminal and are building a mega port in Tuas by 2040. For their operations, PSA has shifted all staff from Tanjong Pagar to Pasir Panjang terminal ahead of schedule, and all city terminal operations are to be migrated to Tuas before 2040. Implicitly, this migration is due to OBOR since the Tuas port will be a direct competitor.
QQCT should reduce emission using the dry docking process. First bring the ships into a dry land, then clean and service the submerged bus. Afterwards, it will be more eco-friendly, and QQCT should join a green port team to exchange information and technology on how to reduce the emission.
PSA currently has a joint venture terminal with USCO, where both sides invested infrastructure-wise, but only PSA operates the terminal. They could use the same idea and approach OBOR partner countries, for example, New Zealand Port or Taringa. PSA can invest and provide better technologies to jointly develop a new terminal with New Zealand. They will also provide training, but New Zealand will operate the terminal. In exchange, PSA will be a majority stakeholder.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.